Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dina Sahira, and today I will talk about why COVID-19 is a pandemic. As we already know, in 2019, in the end of 2019, there is an outbreak of the virus, coronavirus, and it starts in Wuhan, China, and it quickly spreads to other countries. So much so that the WHO officially declared it a pandemic, and it's still here almost 2 years later. Now, why is coronavirus called a pandemic? And is there another term it can be called? And I will explain about that after this. First, we need to know what is an outbreak, an endemic, and an epidemic. Endemic is a disease that's found regularly among certain people or in certain areas. They do not occur, if they occur in a country, it's only occurring in certain parts, so not on the whole country. And an example of an endemic is malaria endemic in some parts of country. The next one is outbreak. An outbreak occurs when there's a significant increase of cases of a disease. It can happen in a community, a geographical area, or several countries. Anything can be an outbreak, not only dangerous diseases, but something like flu or salmonella infection. An epidemic is an outbreak that happens, that spreads quickly and affects many people at the same time. So epidemic is actually considered an outbreak, but it is broadly used to refer to diseases that has grown out of control. So we already know about epidemic, outbreak, and endemic. So the last one is a pandemic. A pandemic is actually an epidemic or a type of epidemic that happens on national or global level. So the reason why COVID-19 is called a pandemic and not an epidemic, an outbreak or an endemic, is because COVID-19 not only has grown out of control, but it has occurred on almost every country in the world. That's why it is called a pandemic. And more about that, an outbreak or an epidemic are actually just a different level of a disease outbreak. If COVID-19 does not happen on a global scale, it will be called an epidemic. And if an epidemic does not grow out of control, or in another word, it can still be controlled, it is called an outbreak. An endemic is an outbreak that's just on smaller level, and these four terms are actually interconnected. COVID-19 also has the potential to be an epidemic, an outbreak, or even to an endemic level once it recedes, so not many people is infected. But it has the potential to stay among some communities. It can be an endemic like malaria. So, but like malaria, people will usually try to contain it so it doesn't spread to global level again. That's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.